We are on the 35th day of the 60-day video challenge, and I'm Manu Costas, and we're talking today. The topic for today is about motivation, and I will start saying that failure will never overtake us if our determination to succeed is strong enough. Because you see, we cannot quit. Winners never quit, and the quitters will never win. We have to believe in ourselves. We have to have faith in our abilities. Start where you are right now. Use what you have and do whatever you can. Always do your best, and always know that what you plant today, you will harvest later. With all this being said, all our action in the present, we are gonna reflect our future later on. So I'm gonna say that because I really believe in that, and this was one of the things that makes me go through life is motivation. Motivation can, in most of the cases, it can beat the talent. You can have a lot of talent. If you're not really motivated to do it, this is not going to help you. But if you have motivation, can determine your success. Because this being said, I'm Manu Costas. I'm a diamond maker with vacation travel, and travel is what makes me happy. And if there is any one of you who like travel and would like to find out good deals for travel and travel the world, just let me know, come back, and I will tell you more about this. Take care, and I see you tomorrow. Bye.